Hello friends, welcome back to Mina's Kitchen. Today I'm back with another video. I'm going to make chili chicken today. I hope you guys like it. I will show you what the ingredient is and how to make. I have 2 chicken breasts here, bell pepper, but I'm not going to use all of them. Only half of yellow, half the green and half the red. And I have spring onion and
red onion.
Now I'm going to cut my chicken, 2 small pieces. Now I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, baking powder, and I also need cornstarch. Because I ran out of cornstarch, so I took some from my neighbor. Thanks Bernard for giving me the cornstarch. And this is the all-purpose flour. This is the ginger paste. I'm going to put here garlic paste, black pepper. This is the cornstarch, 2 or 3 tablespoons. Then you will see how to coat the chicken. All-purpose flour, the baking powder, and a half teaspoon. Now I have to mix everything to coat all the chicken with the flour. If you see that it's not coated, you can add a little bit more cornstarch or flour. I'm going to put some flour and cornstarch here. If you see the chicken is watery, you can add 1 tablespoon of flour or 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and then mix it. And you have to see the chicken should be thickened. The chicken texture should be like that, not watery more than this. It should be thickened like that. Now I'm going to leave this chicken for 15 or 20 minutes in a side. I'm going to prepare all my vegetables now. I use half of each bell pepper here. I'm going to use the whole onion. First I'm going to cut the onion in half because I want to make it a shape. And then I will show you how to make a shape for this. This is the spring onion that I use. The white part I'm going to use it for the sauce, and the green part I'm going to use it on the top. Then you will see. And this is the 2 hot pepper that I'm going to cut it in small pieces. This is the short grain rice that I soaked it in the water for 2 hours. Now when the chicken is marinated for 20 minutes, now I'm gonna show you how to fry it in a medium heat. I'm gonna fry my chicken, but not golden brown, just to make it a little bit cooked, half cooked. And then I'm gonna take it out. And then I'm gonna fry it for the second time. When you fry it for the second time, it's making very crispy from outside and soft from inside and juicy. But my pan is so big, so I put 3 cups of oil here, and I'm gonna put each of the chicken piece by piece that it does not stick to each other. You can fry it for 5 to 6 minutes, that's it. But make sure it's not getting brown. When the second time you fry it for the second time, then it will little bit brown, getting brown. Now the chicken is ready. I'm gonna take it out. I have 1 cup of water here. Now I'm going to put the second cup of water here. I'm going to put my rice in the water. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil here. 1, 2. That's it. A teaspoon of salt. That's it. I'm going to leave the rice for like this for 5 minutes. Then after that I'm going to lower the temperature to
3.
like 3 and leave it for 15 minutes. Then I will show you if the rice will be done. You need to make a sauce with the bell pepper and onion and those stuff. So for the sauce I need black pepper, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, oyster sauce and vinegar. And also I need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is for the thickness of the sauce. So we are going to leave the cornstarch on a side. Now I'm going to use my sauces. 1 tablespoon light soya sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. This is important because this is for the color of the chicken and the sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of vinegar. 1.5. I'm going to put half a tablespoon of sugar. This is the sauce that we need for chicken. Now I'm going to fry the chicken for the second time. This time we fried on a high flame. Now we're frying it for the second time until it's getting golden brown and crunchy. This is the golden brown color that we want. Chicken is done. Now we are going to put everything together, like our vegetable is ready, our cornstarch is ready, and our sauce, chicken, and garlic ginger paste is here. The burner is now on medium heat. I'm going to put my white part of the onion with the 2 chili pepper, and then I'm going to put garlic and ginger paste now. 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix it all together. Now I'm going to put the burner in high setting. This is now I'm going to put the cornstarch. I'm going to put the onion and bell pepper here. You have to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add the sauce here. Cook it again for 3 minutes. Now it's ready, the sauce is ready. You don't need to cook all the vegetables too soft. It should have some crunch on it. Now I'm gonna turn off my stove and bring it here and put the chicken on it. We're gonna put some spring onion, just a little bit, sesame seed. Our rice is done. This is the sticky rice. chili chicken with steamed rice. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, with the butter knife.
1, 2, 3, action. No! No!
This is the...
Go.
Now we are going to put it